today's topic is classification of plant diseases on the basis of their symptoms. Before we start, let's have a look over the plant diseases definition of a disease. Okay, a disease is defined as any type of injurious abnormality which is caused due to the pathogen. Okay, so pathogen means what? It is the disease causing agent. Pathogen is any biological agent that causes an injurious abnormality to the plant, that is known as a pathogen. Okay, and that disease causing ability is known as a pathogenicity. Let's also have a look over the sign and symptoms. Symptoms are the plant response to attack by a pathogen, and signs are structure produced by the organisms such as spore producing structures and mycelium. Causal agents, these are the disease causing agents. There are 4 types of commonly recognized organisms which are able to cause disease to the plants, and that are viruses, bacteria, fungi, nematodes. In our previous video we have taken a look over this. Okay, पिछले वीडियो में हमने सभी ने ये देखा है. इसके आगे जो भी प्लांट के डिसीजेस है वो हम आज के वीडियो में देखना चाहेंगे. बेस्ड ऑन देयर टाइप क्लासिफिकेशन था फॉर सीरियल क्रॉप, ये भी हमने देखा है पिछले वीडियो में. प्लांट डिसीजेस के फ्रूट क्रॉप्स को जो डिसीज होते हैं उसके इमेजेस हमने देखे हैं. प्लांट diseases of ornamental plants. Okay, that we are going to discuss in detail all those diseases, their causal organisms, where and on the basis of their symptom. This is our topic. Okay, classification of plant diseases on the basis of their symptoms. Okay, for example, rust, smuts, powdery mildew, downy mildews, leaf blight, vascular wheals, डैम्पिंग ऑफ, लीफ ब्लाइट्स. ओके, ये जो सभी हमने पिछले वीडियो में देखा है, तो उसका आज डिटेल कॉजल ऑर्गेनिजम्स और उनका आइडेंटिफिकेशन कैसे करते हैं ये हम आज के इस वीडियो में देखने जा रहे हैं. लीफ ब्लाइट वो सभी. ओके, see here the first disease from which we are going to start, that is the blight. What happens in blight disease? The burnt appearance is occur. Okay, example is a potato plant. Here in this photo you can see clearly here that this burnt appearance, that is the sign of a blight disease. What is blight? Actually it is a disease which is characterized by the rapid and extensive death of a plant foliage. Okay, here you can also find that blight. Okay, this is the example of a late blight of potato whose causal organism is a Phytophthora infestans. Also this is also the common blight which is occur in bean and whose causal organism is a Xanthomonas axonopodis. Okay, तो ये ब्लाइट डिसीज है जिसमें ब्रंट अपीयरेंस दिखाई देता है. ओके, प्लांट्स के ऊपर, जिसमें क्या होता है, प्लांट्स में एक्सटेंसिव डेथ होती है प्लांट्स के, उसकी वजह से वहां पे ब्लैक और ब्रंट अपीयरेंस दिखाई देता है. तो ये बीन प्लांट का है कॉमन बैक्टीरियल ब्लाइट और उसका वो कॉजल एजेंट है Xanthomonas axonopodis. Let's see the blast. It is the sudden death of unopened bud or inflorescence. Example, rice blast disease whose causal organism is Magnophorti gracia. Okay, Magnophorti gracia. Next is the scald branching epidermal and adjacent tissue of fruit and occasionally of leaves. Example, plump leaf scald. Okay, whose causal agent is fastidious vascular bacteria. Anthracnose, formation of a discrete dark necrotic lesions on the leaves, stems and fruits, and whose causal agent is fungus whose name is Coletrotrichum capsid. Okay, which is commonly occurred in chili plant. Okay, here the photo of chili plant is shown there. Rot diseases are characterized by plant decomposition and putrefaction and the softening of discoloration and often decay. Softening, discoloration and often decay or disintegration of a succulent plant tissue as a result of fungal bacterial infection. तो रॉटिंग में क्या होता है, सॉफ्टनिंग होता है फ्रूट का, डिस्कलरेशन होता है और डीके और डिसइंटीग्रेशन भी होता है रॉटिंग में. So bacterial, this is the fungal or bacterial infection. Both bacteria or fungus can cause this infection. Foot rot and tuber rot, tuber brown rot of a potato, whose causal organism is a Pseudomonas solanaceae. Here the brownish color appearance is there. Okay, whose pathogen is Arvinia carotovora, which is a bacteria. And in case of foot rot, which is occur in citrus tree, whose causal organism is a Phytophthora parasitica. ओके, तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि ये जो रॉटिंग हुई है, ये स्टेम रॉटिंग हुई है उसके, ओके, सिट्रस ट्री के प्लांट में. और यहाँ पे पोटैटो में जो ब्राउनिश कलर अपीयरेंस है, दैट इज द साइन ऑफ अ ट्यूबर रॉट. ओके, leaf rot, causal agent is Xanthomonas campestris, black rot of cruciferous. Here you will find that a leaf rot. Okay, blackish color appearance, that is the sign of leaf rot. Okay, which is also known as a black rot of a cruciferous. Causal agent is Xanthomonas campestris. Okay, smut, rust, small postulates of spots usually breaking through the epidermis. Example, black rust of the wheat by Puccinia graminis. Okay, ये wheat के ऊपर आप देख सकते हो black rust आई वाला, ये लीफ के ऊपर आता है, उसके एपिडर्मिस के ऊपर ब्लैक ब्लैक स्पॉट्स दिखते हैं, तो उसको हम रस्ट कहते हैं. और स्मट्स भी देखिए, shooty or charcoal like mass appearing on floral organs, mainly on ovary or leaf. They are mainly caused by basidomycetes, particular order of Ustialginals, loose smut of wheat by Ustialgo tritici. तो ये रस्ट और स्मट है, ये जो डायग्रामेटिकली भी आपको दिखाया है इसमें. Next disease, plant disease, is the mildew. It is represent the so next plant diseases we will discuss in next video. Okay, today we are stop here. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.